Good morning, class 9. Welcome back to our online session. We were in chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. Today we will discuss about sphere and hemisphere. Sphere, spherical ball, you can say a football, basketball, whatever it is. The shape is spherical. Radius r. So a sphere has only surface area which is given as 4 pi r square and volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. But if we have this sphere, it can be hollow, it can be solid. अंदर से खोखला हो सकता है, solid हो सकता है, कैसा भी हो, surface area will be the same. Volume, if it is hollow, then the volume represents the air that it contains, its inner volume. Or if it is solid, this volume represents the volume of the material with which the sphere has been made. That's it. Identity remains same. Formula वही रहेगा. Hollow hemisphere. Hollow means ये अंदर it's like bowl. घर में होता है ना bowl. Hemispherical bowl. It's empty inside. Its radius is r. So hemisphere means half of the sphere. A sphere has entire surface area of 4 pi r square. So this hollow hemisphere will have curved surface area 2 pi r square. And volume will be half the volume of a sphere. If it is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, here it will be 2 upon 3 pi r cube. But there is a slight change when we have a solid hemisphere. Solid hemisphere मतलब जैसे मान लीजिए आपने कोई spherical कोई fruit है आपके पास, खरबूज या तरबूज कुछ भी, उसको आप बीच में से कट करें तो जो हेमिस्फीयर आपके पास होगा वो सॉलिड होगा, राइट? इट्स सॉलिड. Now what happens? Curved surface area remains the same 2 pi r square, but total surface area, if you have a solid hemisphere, it has a curved surface as well as the top, because it's a solid. The top is also a circular part. So area of circle is pi r square. In that case, total surface area becomes curved surface area plus area of the circular top pi r square or add कर दो, becomes 3 pi r square. Volume half of the sphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So this was about sphere, hemisphere, hollow hemisphere and solid hemisphere. Now we'll solve some questions of exercise 13.4, which are the questions are based on these formulae of sphere and hemisphere, whatever it is. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeters square. You are provided with the surface area of the square. You need to of a sphere. You need to find its radius. So we don't know what the radius is. So first solution of question number 6. Let the radius equal to r centimeters. So surface area is 4 into pi r square is given as 154 centimeter square. Now r square equal to 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22, right? So 11 goes 2 times, 11 goes 1 time and 4 times, 14 times. Now 2 goes 1 time and 2 goes 7 times. What are we left with? 49 upon 4. This is r square. So r will be square root of 49 upon 4. Square root of any positive quantity can be positive or negative. But here r represents radius. Radius is a quantity which is never negative. So आपको positive ही consider करना है. 49 upon 4 का square root 7 upon 2 centimeters. This will be the radius of the sphere whose surface area is given as 154 centimeters square. You can write it as 7 upon 2 centimeters or you can write it as 3.5 centimeter, whatever you find suitable or whatever the question says. Right, children? So this was the solution of question number 6. Let's come to another question. You need to understand this question. Question number 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. इसके डायग्राम को समझो आप. Sphere, it is just enclosed inside a cylinder, right circular cylinder. Hope you got it. So ये हमारा cylinder. अच्छा, what is the radius of the sphere? R. The same will be the radius of cylinder. The same will be the radius of cylinder. Okay, now for this sphere, this becomes the diameter, that is 2r. So that will be the height of the cylinder. This will be equal to 2r. Height of the cylinder will be equal to 2r units. Radius of sphere and radius of cylinder will remain same because this cylinder, it just encloses the sphere. तो sphere इसके दोनों तरफ टच है. तो जितना स्फेयर का डायमीटर वही सिलेंडर का डायमीटर. सो अगर स्फेयर का रेडियस r, सिलेंडर का रेडियस भी r. नाउ हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू द डायमीटर ऑफ द स्फेयर व्हिच इज 2r. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर. फर्स्ट वन, CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर. कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ a cylinder is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi R means radius into H. H is 2R. So this is 4 pi R square. Square units. Got it? So we got the curved surface area of the cylinder as 4 pi R square. Now, अच्छा, this was point number 2, sorry, curved surface area of cylinder. Now point number 1 was we have to find surface area of sphere. Surface area of sphere. It is simple, 4 pi r square, square units. Now what is the third point? Third point says you have to find a ratio of areas which we have found in point number 1 and point number 2. So ratio of point number 1 is surface area of sphere ratio with curved surface area of cylinder. Both the quantities are same, 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square. So this ratio turns out to be 1. Okay. So these were few questions which were based on this sphere. Okay children, so up to here whatever we have done was related to surface areas. Now in the next class we shall start with volumes of different solids, cubes, cuboids, cones, cylinders and spheres. Okay, so try to solve the questions, and in case you have doubts feel free to contact us. Stay safe, stay healthy children.